Hello, good day everyone. I am Missy Aliyah Manlapas Lucas, a Bachelor of Secondary Education 1-3 student. This video essay deals about the reflection I make and the realization I have about technology as a way of revealing human flourishing, the good life, and so on and so forth. But first, let us define what is science, technology, and society. Science, technology, and society, it is the study of how society, politics, and culture affects a scientific research and technological innovation and how this, in return, affects society, politics, and culture. First, we have the technology as a way of revealing. The essence of technology is not something we make. It is a mode of being or of revealing. They have their own way of presenting themselves in the world in which they operate. This means that technological things have their own novel kind of presence, endurance, and connections among parts and wholes. Heidegger preempts the accusations that this view no longer holds true for modern machine-powered technology. Heidegger's words remind us that technology is not value neutral. If our ever-expanding encounters with technology are misguided by the notion that it is a value-neutral means to ends that have normative value, be they good or bad, we will fail to recognize and critically consider the complex manner in which the content of our communication determines and is determined by the mode in which it is articulated. The second one is human flourishing. It involves the rational use of one's individual human potentialities, including talents, abilities, and virtues in pursuit of his freely and rationally chosen values and goals. Human civilizations and the development of science and technology. Human person as both a bearer and beneficiary of science and technology. Human flourishing is an effort to achieve self-actualization and fulfillment within the context of a larger community of individuals, each with the right to pursue his or her own such effort. Human flourishing is the reward of the virtues and values, and happiness is the goal and reward of human flourishing. Self-direction involves the use of one's reason and is central and necessary for the possibility of attaining human flourishing, self-esteem, and happiness, according to Aristotle. Science and technology must be examined for their greater impact on humanity as a whole. Let's move to the good life. Progress of science and technology leads us to have the following. Number 1, it is easy access information. Number 2, faster resolution to problems. And number 3, better and more options to choose from. Happiness is the ultimate purpose of human existence. Happiness is a final end or goal that encompasses the totality of one's life. It is not something that can be gained or lost in a few hours like pleasurable sensation. It is more like the ultimate value of your life as lived up to this moment, measuring how well you have lived up to your full potential as a human being. Why is it easy access information, faster resolution to problems, better and more options to choose from? Because there is continuous development in the field of science, especially to technology. Information can now be easily accessed. With just a click, tons of information is shown to you. You need not go to a library to search for the book or read a lot of resources just to get the information that you need. The internet will provide you almost all the things you need. You just need to be careful because not all in the internet are credible information. So there are more reasons proving that the improvement in the field of science and technology leads toward a good and better life. The bottom line here is that discovery to never stop. Each day is an opportunity to discover new things. Every citizen around the globe is demanding better and more services from the government to maintain or improve the quality of his or her livelihood. The government and academicians are also calling on the adoption and implementation of the rapid emerging technologies for the betterment of our societies. So let's now answer the question, when technology and humanity cross, and why the future does not need us. First, when technology and humanity cross, they create impact to everyone around them. They make our world a more better place to thrive through the innovations and discoveries. They are also the reason behind in every material things we have right now. Why the future does not need us? It is because technologies can replace humans in every aspect of life. Robots can replace humans for many jobs, just as innovation, farming equipment replaced humans and horses during the Industrial Revolution. Factory floors deploy robots that are increasingly driven by machine learning or it's such that they can adjust to people working alongside them. So the students like me is actively making choices about how to manipulate or display information. Technology use allows many more students to actively thinking about information, making choices, and executing skills that is typical in teacher-led lessons. And this leads us to better life if we know how to control it in using for our daily life.